So, you got your provisional registration number from Malaysian Medical Council and SPA registration done. But you have no clue of what is e-housemanship all about. Don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, I'll be talking everything you need to know about e-housemanship. Assalamualaikum guys, this is Dr. Ilyas, graduated from University of Malaya in 2015, completed my housemanship in 2017 and currently working as a medical officer, double MRCS holder and aspiring ENT surgeon to be. In this episode, we will be covering everything about e-housemanship process. Prerequisite to e-housemanship process. First, you need to complete MBBS or MD or equivalent degree. Number 2, provisional MMC registration number. And you need to have SPA registration. Assuming you have already done these 3 things, let's get started for e-housemanship process. First of all, what is e-housemanship? It's an online application form where you can choose your own hospital for doing housemanship and you will get the appointment letter immediately. Before applying for e-housemanship, you need to be prepared with these 4 things. Number 1, starting with preparing a list of hospitals that you want to do your housemanship. If you don't know how to choose your hospital or not sure, then make sure to watch my video on 5 things to consider before choosing your hospital. I will leave the link up here. This video will give you an idea on how to choose your hospital for your housemanship training in Malaysia. Number 2 is reading the manual. Ministry of Health has put together a well-written manual on how to apply e-housemanship process. If you don't want to read it, you can watch my video instead. Number 3, you need to have a stable and fast internet connection. Ideally, this will be in cyber cafe. But if you want to do it in your home, you can do it, but I will strongly recommend to use a LAN cable. If you don't know what is a LAN cable, please Google it up. When you are in cyber cafe, please take 2 computers, preferably side by side. In that way, if anything happens to the first computer, you always have the second computer as a backup. It might be expensive to take 2 computers, but trust me, it's worth it. You really need a very stable and a fast internet connection because there will be thousands of medical graduates logging into the system at the same time. Number 4, print out or write down all the details that need to be filled up in the e-housemanship, which includes personal details, your family details and educational details, and of course the hospitals that you want. Other method of doing this is, if you are very good in computers with keyboard, you can always put it in a Microsoft Word Office and open it side by side in the same computer. In that way, you can just copy paste the details. Another method is using Google autofill feature. I'll put the template of personal details, family details and education details which are required in e-housemanship in the description below so that you can download it and use it and bring it with you on the day of e-housemanship application. Probably the most important thing is, for Muslims, please pray Salat Hajat and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant you the hospital that you want. For the rest, please pray so that you will get the hospital that you wanted. Make sure to do all these 4 things before your day of e-housemanship application. So now, let us look on the e-housemanship application in depth, step by step. Let's go through together. I'm using the manual from Ministry of Health to give you guys the best illustration as possible so that you guys have a better idea how to apply e-housemanship. First, you're going to register using your IC number and email address and other particulars and click register. Opening of the e-housemanship timing and dates will be announced in this website, link in the description below. Please be early and wait in the cyber cafe or your home in front of your PC by 11 AM or 11:30 AM at least. You know, have few friends who have overlooked it and they either end up postponing the application or choosing other different hospitals. On the day of application, log in using your IC and password. Section A is filling up all your details as shown in this picture. Section B is for your family details. Section C is for educational details. Now, you can choose the state and the hospital. My personal advice is choose all negeri because by doing that, you have the list of all the hospital with its available slots. If you choose a particular state, and then you want to go back and choose another state, the system will need some time to loading and refreshing. That will take up time and you might miss on your personal choice. And bear in mind, this whole list of hospital is not in alphabetical order. Guys, once you choose your hospital, don't be overly excited and lose focus because you haven't done yet. The moment you choose hospital, quickly press the Hantar button, because if you don't do so, you haven't got your hospitals. I have few friends who chose their hospitals. Subsequently, they waited for a few seconds before pressing the Hantar button. By the time they press the Hantar button, the system says the hospital was not available anymore. So the moment you choose hospital, make sure you quickly press the Hantar button. Once you press the Hantar button, this screen will pop up telling you that you have got your hospital. Congratulations, you got your hospital that you wanted. You can now download the documents from this page, which includes your appointment letter and also the call letter for PTM, which stands for Program Transformasi Minda. For whatever personal reason, or if you don't get the hospital that you wanted, you can choose to postpone these applications. But bear in mind, there is no guarantee that you will get your hospital the next time also. So think through it before you choose to postpone. So guys, that's how you apply for e-housemanship. For those who are not familiar with computers, you might find this very frightening and tedious process. Don't worry, watch my video, read the manual, and make the preparation as I mentioned. Inshallah, you will be fine. In summary, before choosing your e-housemanship, make sure you prepare these 4 things. Number 1, prepare a list of hospitals which you want to choose. Number 2, read the manual or watch my video. Number 3, have a stable and fast internet connection, preferably in cybercafe. Number 4, print out or write down all the detail which you need to fill in for your e-housemanship series. Number 5, pray to Almighty so that you get your hospitals. Regardless of whatever hospitals that you get, make sure to perform your level best and give all you can, because you need to provide the best care for your patient, because that's the reason why we chose this profession in the first place. So tell me in the comment section below, when are you going to apply for your e-housemanship? If you're already a doctor, how was your experience on applying for e-housemanship? What was your feelings like? Share it with me, share it with everyone in the comment section below. If you have any questions, write to me in the email provided. Like the video, consider subscribing, share it with your friends and family. I see you guys in the next video.